Hello everyone. Here we are going to make a project of IoT. In this we are controlling home appliances like bulb, fan, TC. This is our Arduino board and this is our Bluetooth device. Look at the Bluetooth device carefully. It has four wires, four different colors. Now first two wire we are connecting into the first pin and the second one is grounded. Now we are connecting the yellow wire into the first 5 volt and the second one is into the 3 volt. You can see clearly in this video. You can connect accordingly. This one is our relay module. That relay module we will connect into the Arduino board. Now the wire of relay module we are connecting to the pin 8 and the pin 9 in a well manner. You can see in this video. The yellow wire of the relay module we are connecting to the Arduino board. You can connect accordingly. While doing this video, now our connection is overall completed. Now let's start software connection. This is our Bluetooth software. Now we can open Bluetooth from the mobile, search device. Now we can see the device is C05. We can pair it by entering the password 1234. Press OK. Now we can see the device is connected. Now we can open Arduino Bluetooth software. This we have downloaded from the Play Store. Now our Bluetooth device is connecting from the software. Wait for some minutes for connection. Now our Bluetooth device is connected from the software. Now we can see our LED is connected. Now you can connect many devices similarly. We have already installed the software in our smartphone and we press on, the light is on. And when press off, the light is off. You can see clearly in this video. Thanks for watching.